Bubba.
Oh, I like blue cake pops.
What? I have a lemon? Seriously?
Oops. Don't worry, Julie.
Hey guys, can I start?
Yes.
I want to try this cotton candy as soon as possible. But before that, getting rid of the packaging. Woohoo!
Nice.
I'll eat it all at once. Wow, that's a nice sandwich. It's so sweet. I like it. I really want to try it too.
Same.
Whoa, guys.
Let's go.
This cotton candy turned into a chewing gum. Blowing a bubble? Cool! Wow, I can play with it!
I want that too! Phoebe, come on!
Oops! I'm sorry, Julie. Mike didn't catch it.
Well, I caught it. Oh, don't do that anymore.
Mike, it is your turn.
Oh, that's right! I want to try my cake pops. They're so cool! And sweet. I want a couple more, but I have to figure out how to eat it. I'll remove the sticks and put them in my mouth. I will definitely succeed. They're so funny.
Okay.
And incredibly delicious. I'm thrilled. Julie, it's your turn.
Great, bud. I really don't want to eat it. This terrible lemon scares me. It's gonna be so sour. Oh, it's soft. Wait, that's not an ordinary lemon. It's a sweet one. Cool. I'll eat that with pleasure.
Whoa.
How sweet and not sour. Guys, it's great. I'm happy. Pink marshmallows.
And I have marmalade bears. They're blue.
And I have a bottle with yellow Fanta. Well, we're lucky. Come on. I'll be happy to start. Opening the packaging. Wow, they're so cute and soft. And yummy.
Awesome.
I want to eat more, but I'll put them on a skewer. Can you guess what I want to do? Right. I want to roast them. Let's bring some fire in. Look what I'm doing.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh no, Phoebe, watch the fire.
Oh no! I burned my marshmallows. Oh, it's all melted and it's on the table. Well, let's try it anyway. It's delicious! I want more! How sweet!
Is she okay? She's so weird.
Mike, your turn!
Okay. My marmalade bears are definitely very tasty. Just look at how soft and cute they are. I can even play with them. Oops. Yes. I'm going to eat it now. But I have an idea. I'm putting them on the table and eating them.
Nice.
I didn't even use my hands. Julie, come on.
Let's try it. Wait, there's something wrong with my Fanta. Oh, I know. It's jelly. I've never tried this before. Wow, it's so delicious. It's so funny. Oh no! Ouch! Phoebe! Oh, goodbye.
Oops. It's because of me. Wow! It's candy!
And I have bananas. They're out of marshmallows. Everything is simple for me, but delicious. A pink cupcake.
No, Phoebe.
No.
I'm gonna be the first one.
Let's try it. I love these marshmallows. Ooh.
Wait, there's chocolate inside. Awesome. Look.
Oh,
What happened to me?
I don't get it.
Okay. Let's try it again. Woo!
What are you doing?
They're turning her into a monkey!
Ugh. Julie! Don't eat that, come on! Whoa!
Yeah, that's quite scary. What is she doing?
It was delicious, but…
Oh, what happened to me?
Get off!
Why am I on the table? I'm sorry, I don't remember anything.
Okay.
Ugh. It's my turn! Look at the lollipops! Everything is the way I like it! Blue and yummy! Wow! I'll eat all of them at once! Nice!
Let's go!
Oh, it's my turn. This pink cupcake is so beautiful. I want to try the cream. How delicious! I really like it.
Julie, I'd like to try it too! Phoebe, can you share?
Please. No way. I'll eat everything alone.
She's so greedy. Let's dip her in that cream.
What? Oh! What did you do?
It worked! We've taught Phoebe a lesson!
No way! My cupcake is ruined! Oh! I can lick the leftovers off my face! And I can eat them from my plate! Yum!
She's like a pig!
What is this button for? I don't know.
A blue donut!
Wait, do I have chicken eggs? Seriously? What?
Since no one wants to be the first one, I'll start. I have a delicious donut, and I'm happy. Julie, look! That's funny! I can spin it on my finger and eat it at the same time. Wow! So delicious!
Awesome!
Well, your turn, Julie.
Really? Okay, let's break the egg. Oh, I'm so scared.
Ew, how disgusting!
I agree. A raw egg is incredibly horrible. I'm sorry, guys, I can't.
Oh, you have to!
Oh, I guess that's a good idea, Mike. Let's make an egg shake. Maybe it will even be delicious in this way. Breaking all the eggs into a blender. Oops. Sorry, Mike. And the last one. Awesome. Now we blend everything up. Something tells me it won't be good. It only remains to pour everything into a beautiful glass. It's still unappetizing.
Wait a minute! An idea! Here's a straw! I don't want to.
Let's do this. Not another drop! It's terrible! Come on, Phoebe. Me? I don't even know what that is. Let's click on the button. Who is it? Good afternoon? Is that for me? What is inside? Whoa! What is this?
Is that only for her?
Bye.
Apparently that is only for me. Well, let's try this candy. Ooh. Guys? Oh no! This is too sour! Oh, I feel bad!
We gotta run!
Wow, I have cheese sauce and french fries in the form of emojis.
And I have spicy Takis.
I have a marmalade puppet. It's so cute, in the shape of a heart. Let me decide who's gonna be the first one. Well, it's me. Let's go. Whoa, so cool. Oh, let me smell it. Wait, I can eat it.
What's the matter with you?
Whoa! It's my turn.
Okay, here we go.
Let me try my fries. Just look at how lovely it is. A kiss? I can do that too. Ooh, and now I'm cool. Let's stack all the emojis on top of each other. And here's my mountain of emojis. Some cheese sauce on top. And let's try it. Really delicious. It's much better with cheese sauce. Julie, hurry up! I want to try it too! Okay, give me a few seconds. Done! Well, I've managed to get hungry. I want to try these cool chips. They're blue. Whoa! It's cool, but very spicy. Oh, I like that kind of thing. Nice. Oh, wow. Mike ate it all! Uh-oh! Something's wrong! Everything is burning in my mouth! Oh, no way! Very spicy! We'll help you! Oh! Oh! Oh, wait! It's getting better! Girls, thank you so much! What would I do without you? Hooray! I have Hubba Bubba soda! And I have 10 of them! Wow! Look at that! I'm so lucky! Congratulations, but I'll be the first one. Let's take a sip. What's the matter? It's not pouring out. Ooh! It's jelly in a bottle! It must be squeezed out. Yummy! Wow! I'm so thrilled! Oh! I think there's a little bit left. Oops! My tongue is stuck in the bottle! Oh, I can't get it out! Somebody help me! Dan, help me! Give it to me! Wow! Phoebe, are you hurt? Oh, I'm fine. And now I'm inflating a bubble. Wow! It looks like a balloon. That's cool! Oops. Well, I'm gonna start now. I have a great idea how to remove all the lids. That was cool. And I have a mega funnel that will allow me to drink it all at once. Well, I guess eat it. Look what I came up with. And now let's inflate a bubble. Wow! Oh! 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 It burst! My face! Well, I guess it's still sweet and cool. Oh, Dan. Well, let me start. It's so cool! Wow! So yummy! Oh, it's taking so long. I am done. However, only with 2 bottles. Maybe you'll help me? Of course. Let's take a couple of bottles each. Whoa! I love it! That's hilarious! Wow! Thank you, France! Well, I guess that's it. Wow! And I'm all clean. Look at this huge bubble! Uh-oh! Oh, guys! I think I'm flying away! That is so cool! Oh no! Hot pepper! Uh-oh! Oh, baby! Oh, don't tell me I have to eat this! Don't be afraid, Phoebe. We're here. Jane, you can start. Okay, guys. I'll try to eat it. But I'm really, really scared. I'll pass.
What?
Oh! Where did this come from? Oh, no!
Come on!
That's funny. It's not funny at all. Okay, I'll take a bite. Let's see what happens. Oh! My mouth is on fire! It seems like it's going to explode! Ooh, there's ice here. What a relief. Dan, your turn. Oh, maybe Phoebe? Come on, we're gonna help you now. Oh no, please don't! That's enough! Ugh. Oh no! Oh, what's happening?
Poor thing. He urgently needs help. Dan, here's an aquarium.
Whoa! Uh-oh, there's a fish! Thanks, girls. Well, whoa, even a towel, but it's your turn.
Oh, I don't want to do that.
Don't be afraid.
Oh, it's so scary to even look at this mountain of hot peppers. Okay, I'll be brave. Moving on.
How is she doing that?
Oh, it's getting hot. Whew. Oh, guys, my whole skin is already burning. Oh, help me!
Jane, grab the fire hose! We need to put out this fire urgently and save Phoebe.
Oh, that's it! Stop! That's enough! Wednesday, save me!
What's going on? Hello, neighbor!
That's enough! Stop!
Oh my god. Ugh. Well, she seems to be fine.
Hooray! I just love Coke!
Whoa, so many cans! What?
Can you imagine? I got 100 cans of Coke!
Jane, do you want to start?
Let's do this! Oh, it's not opening! Oh, come on! With my mouth! Oh!
Jane seems to have lost her mind.
Oh, an idea! I'll use a hammer! It'll definitely help me! Well, I did manage to open it, and there's a little bit of Coke left. Well, that's it. Let's go, guys. You'll need this. Oops.
Let me start. I'm gonna think. That's right! I need to line up all the cans in a row, and then I'll do it super quickly. Well, well, well. Ready! Now I need straws. Perfect.
What is he doing? I don't know.
Wow, look at that construction! It'll help me drink all the Coke at once. Great!
Good!
Hey, what's the matter? Oh,
That was funny.
oops. Let's pretend you didn't see that. Moving on.
Well, it's finally my turn, and I have my own idea.
Looks weird.
Okay.
I'm going to pour all the Coke into one huge glass, so I don't have to put it on pause. Hooray! Let's move on. I can't wait to take a sip. Wow! This is just awesome. Amazing. Oh, something's coming. Oops. Oh, is she okay?
Wow!
I really love Twix. Let's get rid of the packaging. Hooray!
Oh, Phoebe!
Sorry, Dan. I didn't see you. Oh, they're like swords. Wait, I can cut it with a chainsaw. Oh, goodness! I came up with a cool idea, right? Hey, be careful! Everything is flying at us!
We'll make a couple of pieces. Perfect.
And now I have 10 Twix, like Dan.
Oh.
Hey, Phoebe!
Oops, that's a little embarrassing. It's not mine. Well, let's start. My mouth is already watering. Ooh, guys, this is delicious. Well, who's next? Me? Hooray! I'll show you a trick. Look! That's incredible!
Great!
You're right. Oh, Phoebe! yummy! It's true, it's delicious! You can just lick your fingers, and I have a brilliant idea! Ouch! I'll use this. Stirring a stick in hot milk. And I'll get a hot chocolate cocktail. Nice! This combination is incredible. Go ahead, Dan.
Thank you, Jane. Well, we have a problem, bud. I know how to solve it. Whoa, look what I'm capable of! I'm a genius! I already have a great idea. Ooh, Nutella! Thanks, buddy! Now I have everything I need. I'm going to build the biggest chocolate tower. Taking a stick, smearing it with Nutella, and building.
Wow, that's cool! I want that too! Do you need a ladder?
Of course. Well, finishing my tower.
Let's prank him!
Oh, girl, stop! I'm falling! I think I got hurt. Thank goodness for the helmet. It's still good. Help yourself. Bon appetit.